Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a product that's been getting a lot of buzz online, the SplitMax air conditioner. You've probably seen the ads on social media claiming it's this compact, super powerful device that can cool or heat rooms up to 500 square feet in just 5 seconds. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what we're going to find out. The SplitMax is being sold on a site called Clifeye, and the marketing makes it sound amazing. They say it's energy efficient, stylish, and incredibly easy to use. Just plug it in and boom, instant hot or cold air. But let's take a closer look at these claims. First, the power numbers. The site claims it runs at 3,500 watts and is supposedly 10 times more powerful than other units while still being low on energy use. Here's the problem. 3,500 watts at 110 volts draws over 30 amps, which is more than most household circuits can handle. So being extremely powerful and energy efficient at the same time, highly unlikely. Next, the claim that it can heat or cool a room in 5 seconds. That just doesn't work in reality. Even professional HVAC systems take time to change the temperature of a room. This one, more marketing hype than actual performance. They also list it as a 12,000 BTU unit, which usually means a large, heavy air conditioner that needs venting. But looking at the product images, it's small, wall-mounted, and has no exhaust vent. So that rating is very questionable. Then there's the company's history. They claim 8 years of experience, but the website was registered in May 2025. The contact info is vague, just an email, no phone number, no real physical address. So transparency is pretty much non-existent. Even the reviews raise eyebrows. Many 5-star reviews popped up in a short time, and some are word for word identical. While we can't say for certain, that's often a sign of copied or paid reviews. And here's the kicker. The exact same product is available on sites like Alibaba for just $5 to $10. Same photos, same design, but marketed as a powerful air conditioner here. Essentially, it's a basic low-cost fan resold at a high price with exaggerated claims. So, is the SplitMax a scam? Well, it's not like people are receiving nothing, but it definitely seems misleading. You might think you're getting a full air conditioning unit, but in reality, it's more like a small personal fan. If you want a real cooling solution, sticking with trusted brands and platforms with reliable reviews is a safer bet. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product breakdowns. Stay cool and I'll see you in the next video.